Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more financial reviews and tips. Here's our review of LendingMate personal loans, covering usage and experience. You can find direct links to LendingMate's personal loan services in the description below. Let's dive right in. LendingMate operates as a guarantor loan provider within Canada, specializing in personal loans for individuals facing challenges with poor or non-existent credit histories. Unlike conventional lenders, LendingMate mandates a guarantor, someone possessing solid credit and financial stability, who commits to assuming loan responsibility should the borrower default on repayments. Loan amounts offered span from $2,000 to $10,000, with flexible repayment terms ranging between 12 and 60 months. It's important to note that interest rates are elevated, commencing at 43% April. This renders LendingMate loans more costly than standard personal loans, though they remain a more manageable option compared to payday loans. The application process unfolds entirely online and is designed for simplicity. Both borrowers and their guarantors are required to furnish basic information, and approvals are typically expedited, often occurring within 24 hours, provided the guarantor fulfills the necessary criteria. Funds are released promptly upon approval. Repayments are structured as fixed amounts, facilitating easier budgeting, and there are no penalties for prepayment, empowering borrowers to settle their loans early and save on interest. Significantly, LendingMate doesn't depend on credit scores for approval, positioning it as a viable alternative for those facing rejection from other lenders due to a low credit rating. LendingMate is ideally suited for individuals encountering difficulties securing traditional loans due to adverse credit but who have a trusted friend or family member willing to serve as a guarantor. However, the inherent high interest rates necessitate careful consideration and should only be pursued if alternative avenues are exhausted. It's crucial for both the borrower and guarantor to fully grasp the obligations involved, as missed payments can negatively impact both of their credit scores. In summary, LendingMate offers a pathway to financing for those who might otherwise struggle to obtain a loan. While this access comes at a premium cost, the flexibility, rapid approval process, and potential for credit improvement over time can be advantageous. If you're contemplating a LendingMate loan, be sure to utilize the links in the description to thoroughly explore your options and determine if it aligns with your specific financial needs.